guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing good, and this video is something I've been planning to do from past 1 month. Anyways, finally I am doing it, so I'm here. That's what matters. Anyways, I'm so hyped today because I have been feeling very lazy from past 3 to 4 days. I am not doing anything. I'm creating content after 1, 2, 3, 3 days. That would be a very long time for me, if you know me. So anyways, this is all about my skincare, what products I use in my skincare routine, and how I treat my skin. So everything you're gonna watch in this video, or everything, the products, everything is not sponsored. It is something that I have been using and I have tried myself, and everything I am suggesting you to try. I am not guaranteeing anything that is gonna work surely for you. You just have to give it a try again and then see for yourself. Nothing is perfect. I really have to tell you this because you see social media पे आप बहुत अच्छे pictures, videos and क्या नहीं देखते हो जिससे आप influence होते हो, and you feel, sometimes you feel like I want to do this, why can't I look like that, why I can't have that flawless skin. I do not believe कि कुछ भी चीज़ perfect होती है. I am not perfect. I have flaws. You'll see in my further clips of this video. I am barefaced. I have not applied any makeup. वहाँ पे आप देखोगे कि I also have pigmentation, dark circles. Oh wow, I have pimples and everything. So it's very normal. I really believe in normalizing pimples, normalizing skin issues and everything. It's not necessary कि आपकी skin perfect हो, एकदम glass skin हो. I don't think so. That is something that I encourage मेरे channel पे. I hope you relate to me, and you don't judge, because I was really scared to just show my bare face because I have been judged a lot, just like other creators and obviously you as well. कि आप लोग भी अगर आज कहीं जा रहे हो, बाहर जा रहे हो, तो there are so many people that judge you from your skin issues. You have acne, you have pimples, you have pigmentations and whatnot. But that is what life is about. Acceptance, self-acceptance is everything, everything. And that is what I am learning right now. I won't say I have achieved it all. Like, I'm trying, just like you, just like another girl who is trying to accept her body, trying to accept the flaws she has and everything. All the products that I will be sharing with you guys will be in the description box. You can see for yourself, and please, you watch a lot of skincare routines, you watch a lot of skincare products and everything, but just don't dwell into it like पूरी तरह से. Just try to understand that सबकी स्किन टाइप्स अलग होती है, सबकी स्किन अलग अलग सीजन्स में अलग अलग तरीके से बिहेव करती है. So these products and everything, what I am gonna recommend is some products that works for me. I don't know if it's gonna work for you or your skin, but I recommend, and आप अपनी तरीके से try कीजिए, and then उसको रूटीन में लेके आइए. So I don't believe in applying a loads and loads of products on my face when it comes to skincare. अभी मुझे स्किन केयर का भूत चढ़ा है. Like I'm reading a lot. मैंने पिछले 1-1.5 महीने से कुछ चीज़ें ट्राई की है just for this video. स्टीमिंग से लेके एवरीथिंग. मैं आपको कुछ चीज़ें डिटेल में बात करूँगी in the end of the video after I show my routine and everything. So घर के नुस्खे में मैं ज़्यादा बिलीव करती हूँ, बट मैंने अब तक बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ नहीं किए हैं स्किन केयर के. आई होप future may I will use some good products and share it with you guys, review it and everything. Please turn on the bell icon as well to get video updates from me, and just follow me on my social media. I have a lot of content there as well. So I have nothing on my face right now. I showered. I haven't applied even moisturizer or anything. So for cleanser, I found a beautiful cleanser from Miniso. Goodness gracious, I'm so glad that I found this facial cleanser from Miniso. I have cleansed it. Yes, I used it in my shower. This cleanser is for oil control, cleansing skin. I'm telling you, this is a miracle. But I would really recommend this for combination to oily skin or very oily people. For very dry, you know, people, you can try out once, but I think this may, you know, give you dry patches on face, because sometimes it happens with me because my skin behaves differently, you know, in different times. And for face washes, I always go for the one and only. This face wash is literally every girl's pimple problem का solution. Yes, obviously ये 2 से 3 wash में नहीं जाता है pimple या whatever. It just, you know, it वो इसको बढ़ने से stop करता है. I think it does not actually, you know, पूरी तरह से pimples नहीं निकालता है. I don't think so any face wash does that. तुरंत ही निकल जाए ऐसा I don't think so कोई भी face wash होगा, और अगर है तो प्लीज़ आप मुझे बताइए इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. ये फेस वॉश के अलावा आई यूज़ वन मोर फेस वॉश जो ख़त्म हो चुका है, और अभी यू नो आई एम स्टॉपिंग माई सेल्फ फ्रॉम यूजिंग इट क्योंकि बहुत ही ड्राई हो जाती है मेरी स्किन अभी. तो आई थिंक इट्स जस्ट अ फेज जहाँ पे मेरी स्किन इज़ गेटिंग मोर ड्रायर देन यूजुअल. सो येस, इट इज़ फ्रॉम VLCC. I'll, you know, put a picture here. Yeah, it's the best face wash ever. If you have pimples, dude, this is the face wash you should be using. Please give it a try. Please give it a try. I highly recommend this face wash. For face scrubs, I use this one. This is really good. I highly recommend this one as well. This is from Mamaearth Uptan face scrub, and the other one would be from Himalaya apricot face scrub. ये है बाथरूम टाइमिंग का पूरा मेरा शावर का स्किन केयर हो गया है. क्लेंजिंग इज डन, यू नो. बाथरूम के अंदर आप whenever you're showering, make sure you're cleansing your face properly, you're washing your face properly, scrubbing it properly and everything. दूसरे products जो मैं use करती हूँ मैं आपको बताऊँगी आगे, but right now let's just get into my routine जो मैं हमेशा शावर से निकल के करती हूँ. So first is I use this rose water. ये कोई ब्रांड का रोज वाटर नहीं है. दिस इज अ यू नो वेरी ऑर्गेनिक रोज वाटर जो मैंने एक लोकल शॉप से बाय किया है. दिस इज नॉट द बॉटल, ये कुछ और ब्रांड का बॉटल है जिसके अंदर मैंने डाला है बिकॉज इट हैज़ दिस थिंग, इट हेल्प्स मी. सो रोज वाटर कोई भी ब्रांड का आपको बेस्ट लगे, यू कैन ट्राई दैट. मेक श्योर जस्ट, यू नो, फॉर योर स्किन. सो फर्स्ट, या आई स्प्रिंकल इट ऑन माई फेस. I just love how it feels on my face, you know. Rose water is something I have just started to use. This is it. I do not, you know, मैं ऐसे घिसती नहीं हूँ. I do not scrub. The, you know, I use this Biotic Bio Cucumber Toner. This is really good. It smells like wow. So what I do is, I take a little bit amount, थोड़ा सा I take it. I rub it on my hands. I do this. I do not, you know, just cram it on my face. Nahin yaar. I don't do that. So now, moving on to the best part that I love personally. Moisturizer. This is moisturizer from Nivea. This is the best. Like, I love this moisturizer. Like, I sometimes apply it, like, you know, 2 pumps of it sometimes. So what I do is I take this much amount, rub it in my hands like this. I do not put it on my face directly. That's how you do it, bro. Oh my god, it's just, it started feeling already like good. I just love how it smells, how it feels on my face. I've been using this from past couple of months and it's working really well for me. So you can try. This sunscreen is actually, for eye cream I use this one from Mamaearth. It's really good. It just hydrates. I won't, you know, tell you that it helps me in you know, getting off my dark circles, or it really is good and everything. I do not want you to, you know, go and so that's how I do it. I do this. That was all of the products that I use, and it helped. So I hope this is gonna help you, you know, in any way. There are some tips that I really want to share with you guys, and 2-3 products that I really feel like you know, works the best for me. So the first product would be something that I use twice a month in summer, and once a month in winter, and in monsoon I think once a month, yeah. But it depends on your skin type again and how much tanning and everything you have. It is from this brand called Inatur Charcoal Peel Off Face Mask. This is like, this is so good. I just can't, you know, stop speaking about this product because it works really well. You can see पहली बार में ही असर देख सकते हो आप. Inatur brand sent me this a couple of months ago and it worked wonders. Even their scrub, wow, face scrub, face wash, everything was really good. I have a video on, you know, on my IGTV section. You can go and check out jahan pe I'm trying these products. So yeah. So the next product is something that is not available in India. I really wish वो available होता, क्योंकि एक product है जो मुझे वापस buy करना है. I want to repurchase it because it's so good. This is from Mario Badescu Skincare. This is a toner. I sometimes use this one because it's a cleansing lotion, but it, you know, works as a toner as well. But it is really, you know, oily. So sometimes when I am feeling very dry, then only I use this one. But it is so good. And the third product that I use every night, again, every night I apply it and sleep. And it's working really good for me, to be very honest. Aloe vera gel from VLCC. I really love this one. I've been using this from past 15 to 20 days, and every night I massage it, you know, 2 to 3 minutes, and you know, with a touch of some water. I really like, you know, to massage it properly on my face. Every night I sleep with it, and then in the morning I wash it off. And in, I guess, twice a month I take a pill of vitamin E and mix it with this gel and then massage it. This is really good. You can try yourself. It is so good. I recommend this one. Alright, so it's time to give you some tips on skin. I really think कि ये skin की tips जो मुझे अभी पता चल रही है, वो पहले पता होती तो शायद काफ़ी फर्क होता मेरी स्किन में. But who cares? It's fine. It is what it is. Anyways, yeah. So I've written everything because I don't want to, you know, भूलना नहीं है मुझे कुछ आप लोगों को बताने से. So DIY masks. The mask that I use, I love to use is, and it really works actually. घर पे ही बना सकते. You can mix besan, rice flour, curd, and turmeric, and some water or milk, whatever works for you. You can go and, you know, mix this and then apply it thrice a week. It will work wonders for you. Thank you later. Alright, कभी कभी मुल्तानी मिट्टी भी बहुत अच्छी होती है. You know, you can use that as well. It's really good. कुछ भी चीज़, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट असर, you know, तुरंत नहीं करता है. वो चाहे 5,000 का प्रोडक्ट हो, जो या 500 का हो या 50 का हो, कोई भी प्रोडक्ट होगा. It will take time to, you know, dwell in your skin. It will take time to, you know, make friends with your skin and everything. So yes. And I get a lot of questions on dark circles. मैं अभी जो try कर रही हूँ वो मैं आपको suggest करूँगी. That is coffee and yogurt. I mean curd, you know. Coffee and curd को mix कीजिए and then apply it on your under eye area or here, you know, जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि ज़रूरत है. And leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off. I do this thrice a week. You can do it every day. I don't think so इसमें कुछ problem होगा. But you know, patch test कीजिएगा आप कुछ भी use करें उससे पहले, because whatever works for me doesn't mean it will work for you as well. Another thing what you can do for dark circles is potato. आपने बहुत बार सुना होगा यार. Come on. You know, potato juice is something that will help you. Cucumber juice, you know, apply it. So my lovelies, that was all for you guys. I really hope कि ये video आपको help करेगा. किसी भी चीज़, मतलब, you know, skin issues है आपको अगर, या whatever है. I am not a pro at it. I am not a pro at skincare. मेरे पास इतना बढ़िया skin नहीं है कि मैं आपको, like, you know, नुस्खे and obviously, yeah. So I'm not a pro कि मुझे सब कुछ समझ आ गया है स्किन केयर का. आई हैव लॉट्स एंड लॉट्स ऑफ नॉलेज एंड एवरीथिंग. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, मैं अभी भी बहुत कुछ सीख रही हूँ, बहुत कुछ जान रही हूँ. आई एम अ लर्नर एज वेल. सो या बेयर विथ मी. एंड ये सब आप ट्राई करेंगे तो जस्ट डू वन थिंग फर्स्ट. प्लीज़ डू अ पैच टेस्ट, देन ओनली गो फॉर इट. स्टिक अराउंड. आई hope you guys stick around, and आपको कोई भी query हो, कुछ भी हो, please comment down and leave a heart if you love this video and if you think this is gonna be very helpful. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Stay safe. Take all the precautions if you're going out, please. And yeah, just accept yourself the way you are. Love yourself. Also, one last thing I really want to tell you guys is if you are, you know, judging, and if you are here to spread hate, if you are here to just, you know, bully somebody just because they have bad skin, they have dark circles, they have pimples, they have this, they have that, then you're in the wrong place. I really want people to relate to my videos, to relate to my life, you know, the way I am. I also have issues and everything. I am not perfect. So aap sahi jagah pe ho. So thank you so much, and see you in the next video, guys.